Throughout history, there's been many great arguments about who is right and who is wrong. For instance, religion versus science, you versus your spouse, Biggie versus Tupac, Chick-fil-A versus Popeyes. But in cocktails, no argument is greater than the origins of Pisco and the Pisco Sour, Chile versus Peru. Both countries claim the Pisco Sour as their national cocktail, but I will not be taking sides on this debate. Pisco can be considered a South American brandy, distilled from grapes and not often aged. Today, we will be making it close to the Peruvian way. So grab some Angostura bitters, lime juice, lemon juice, simple syrup, Pisco, and an egg. Take your small tin and add half an ounce of lemon juice, half an ounce of lime juice. We're going to use both lemon and lime because it closely resembles the sweeter limes of Peru. Add 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, simply made with half sugar and half water. And then add 2 ounces of Pisco. The sharp floral aromas of the spirit blends well with citrus, making the Pisco Sour a must try. Now take the other half of your tin just in case you mess up and separate your egg white into that tin. We're going to do a dry shake, which is shaking the cocktail without any ice, for about 20 seconds to emulsify the egg white. Hold the tins tight. Since there's no ice in this shake, it's not going to keep those tins sealed really close like it normally is. After dry shaking, add ice to your tins and do a regular shake. Then grab your strainers and double strain into the glass. I'll be using this hourglass. The mesh strainer will catch the tiny ice shards that will ruin the head made from your egg white. Finally, we can add 3 drops of Angostura bitters on top. And you can even take a toothpick and add a little design like hearts, mainly because I heart this drink. And you're done. This drink is not only beautiful, but it's delicious. So try something new, have fun, and just have a drink.